Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Assess Chapter 1 Grader Cap Assessment. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Assess, MyLab Economics, MyLab Math, English Writing, English Writing, C++, Java, Web Development, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and I will do your complete course with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on MultiLab Pearson, Cengage Mintab, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP25 Assess Chapter 1 Cumulative Late Delights Inventory. Okay. The title of assignment is XP25 Assess Chapter 1 Grader Late Delight. This is the title of assignment. I have highlighted this. Okay. Now under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 1. Question number 1 is that start assess. Okay, start assess. We will increase first font size and then we will start our assess. Start assess. Open the downloaded assess file name XP25 assess chapter 1 cumulative light delight inventory ACCDP grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, this question we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your school college portal. I have downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this my assess file. Okay. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is that add the following record to the sales reps table, letting assess assign the sales rep ID. Okay. Basically in this question we will have to add the following record to the sales reps table. Okay, first column is last name last name column, first name column, address, city, and then we will have to add a or record in this sales reps table. We will go to our assess file and we will open our sales reps table, double click on sales reps table. Now we will have to add or record. First we will enter this Asler for last name straight column. Okay, we will have to add this record for last name column Isler. Okay, and then second is that first name column we will have to add a carrion. We will copy this and then we will have to add a record for first name column, and then we will copy this 13 Oaks Lane, and then we will have to add a address column. Okay, then we will copy this Montgomery and we will have to add this record for city column. Okay, then we will copy this and we will have to add a PA for state and zip is 1752. Okay, then we will have to add a next record is Rai for first last name column, and then we will have to add a numerator for the first name column record. First name column record, and then 1000 Ojan BLBD for address. We will have to add a address column, and then we will have to add a city for next record. Okay, city is Newcastle. City is Newcastle. Really sorry, 1 second. We will add this record right for last name column, missing someone. Okay, last name right, and first name we will have to add the next record for first name column is named up. Okay, and then address is 1000 Ocean BLBD. Hold on, 1000. Okay, and city is Newcastle. City is Newcastle, and state is DE, and state is DE. We will have to first state DE. Okay, we will enter DE for state, and then zip is 19720, and then we will have to add a next record Pelham for first name column, Pelham for first name column, and then Catherine for first name column, and Pelham for last name, and Catherine for first name, and 286 Bergen RD for address. This is record for RD. This is record for address column. Now Salford for city column, and then state is PA, and zip code is 18957. Zip code is 18957. Okay, and close the table. Simply we will right click on this, save, and close this table. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 3. Open the customer form in form view. Use search to locate the record for Baker Auto Supply. Modify the record so that the address 1 field display 4508 NW7 Avenue. Save and close the form. Okay, simply we will. Okay, first we will open the customer form in form view. Double click on customer form, right click on this, and then click on form view. It's also open in form view. Now use search to locate the record for Baker's Auto Supply. Now we will search the record for Baker Auto Supply. In the search box we will enter Baker Auto Supply. Okay, this is record. Now modify the record so that the address 1 field displays 4508 NW7 Avenue. Okay, we will copy this and modify the record. Address 1 is 4508 7 Avenue. Save and close the form. Simply we will save this, right click on this, save this, and close this form. You can see I have done this question so well. Please focus on my laptop screen, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Right click on this save button, and right click on this, and then click on close button. This form will be saved and closed now. We will move on. Next question is question number 4 of this assignment. Question number 4 is that open the products form in form view. Okay, add a new product. Add a new product. Assess will automatically add the product ID coffee Arabica premium. Okay, add a new product. New product name is coffee Arabica premium. The description is 24 over case pre-ground 1.75 OZ bags. The cost is $13. Just enter 13 no dollar sign. The markup percent is 100%. The brand is premium, and the year is introduced is 2024. Save the new record and close the form. The first point of this question is that we will open the product form in form view. Okay, we will open the product form in form view. You will go to the assess file, and then we will open the product form. Double click on this product form, and then we will open this product form in form view. Okay, it starts opening in form view. Now the second point of this question is that add a new product, coffee Arabica premium. We will have to add a new product. The new product name is coffee Arabica premium. Next record. Okay. We will have to add a new record, new product, new blank record. Okay, click on the next button for a new blank record, and then we will add new product is coffee Arabica premium. Product name is coffee Arabica premium. Simply copy and paste here this product name, coffee Arabica premium. The next point of this question is that the description is 24 case, okay, pre-ground 1.7 oz bags. This is the description of this product. Okay, we will copy this description, and then we will have to add our description in the description box for our product, new product. Okay, we will copy here description 24 case pre-ground 1.75 oz bags. Now we will go to the next point of this question. The cost is $13. Only enter 13, not dollar sign. Okay. Okay, the markup percent. The markup percent is 100%. We will have to add a markup percent is 100%. We will add markup percent in the new product is 100%. Okay. The next point of this question is that brand is premium and the year is introduced is 2024. We will have to add a brand in the brand box. The brand name is premium. We will copy and then remove this previous brand, and then we will have to add a new brand name is premium. Okay. The next point of this question is that year introduced in 2024. Then we will save the new record and close the form. Year introduced 2024. Remove this previous year introduced 2025, and then we will have to add a new year introduced 2024. We will save the new record and close the form. Then question will be done. Right click on this, click on save button, record will be saved, and then simply right click on this and then close this and close the form will be closed now. The next question of this assignment is question number 5. I have done 4 questions so far. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. The question number 5 is that open the products report and check that the report contain the new product P0027. You can see this. Okay. Coffee Arabica Premium. Then view the layout of the report in print preview and then change the page layout to landscape. Save the report and close print preview. This is the question number 5 of this assignment. Now focus and I will do this question step by step. First point of this question is that open the products report. We will go to our assess file and double click on this product report. Product report will be opened right now. The next point of this question is that check that the report contains the new product P002027 coffee Arabica Premium. We will check the product P0027 edit. Okay, and view the layout of the report in print preview and then change the page layout to landscape. View the layout of a print preview. Right click on this and then view is print preview. Click on the print preview. 1 second. Click on the print preview button. Okay. And then next point of this question is that Okay, change the page layout to landscape. Change the page layout to landscape. Go to the print preview tab in the page layout group. Click on landscape button. Page layout is now landscape. You can see here. The next point is that save the report and close the print preview. We will save the report and close the print preview. We will right click on this product button and click on save. The report will be saved and then close the print preview. You can see total question of this assignment is 8. I have done 7 question 6 to 7 question in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with a plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.